The Prouvé career plan is based on a simple model. The company handles production, logistics, shipping, and customer service, while the partner focuses on recommending products and growing their network. This allows you to save on your own purchases, earn from sales, and build your own source of income. In our portfolio, you'll find products that people use every day. These include perfumes created through a traditional artisanal process of aging, freezing, and filtering. This gives them strength, clarity, and longevity. We use fragrance oils from Grasse, the world capital of perfumery. We also create home cosmetics, and we don't use that name by accident. These are cleaning products that help care for surfaces, just as cosmetics care for the body, effectively, conveniently, and with pleasure. And they're safe to use as well. Our range also includes cosmetics for daily skin and body care for both men and women, often with a high percentage of natural ingredients. It's on products like these that our business model is based. And how can you get involved? First, you buy for less. Registration is free, and to start, you get a 25% partner discount. This means that from your very first order, you enjoy better prices and save on your own shopping. Second, you can earn from sales. You recommend products to others, and the difference between your partner price and the catalog price is yours to keep. It's a simple and direct profit. Third, you can build a structure. You invite others to the program, help them get started, and when they shop and recommend products, you also benefit from the turnover in your network. How does it work? Every purchase in the store generates points. They appear in your account and build your career plan score. You can use them as a discount on future purchases. And if you run a business, you can invoice your earnings. Your profit at Prouvé comes from real activity, purchases, recommendations, and structural growth. That's why the career plan is so transparent. It's worth noting that we allocate a fixed percentage of the entire company's turnover to partner rewards. What does growth look like in practice? At the start, you join the partner club. This is the stage where you learn about products, the system, place first orders, get first customers, and the first people in your structure. You start by saving, then you move on to sales, and finally to building a network. The more active you are and the better your structure develops, the higher your position in the career plan. And with a higher position, the benefits grow as well. The plan is designed to reward step-by-step development at every single stage. At higher levels in the Partners Club, you earn more than just the margin. That's when additional bonuses also appear to reward your contribution. The next stage is the Ambassadors Club. This level is for those who not only sell and recommend, but also build a team and develop leaders. Here, you enter a more business-oriented level based on creating a stable and active structure. In the Ambassadors Club, you receive further bonuses and benefits based on the entire network's results. At this stage, the career plan rewards not just your activity, but also your effectiveness as a leader. That is why this model offers such broad opportunities for growth. You can start with cheaper purchases for yourself, then move to sales, then to building a team, and eventually turn it into a regular, serious income. For one person, it's a way to save, for another, extra funds, and for someone else, a major, serious business venture. A simple mechanism works here: product, recommendation, points, structure development, and career advancement. It's a ready-made business model. You can grow at your own pace. From your very first order all the way to becoming a leader. If you're looking for a simple way to save, earn extra, or build something bigger, the Prouvé Career Plan offers a clear path, and how far you go depends on your level of commitment.